Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we are at McCormick Railroad Park. As you can see behind me, nice big choo-choo train. This is a little railroad park here north of Scottsdale, McCormick Ranch area. Kind of a neat little place, pretty big place. Got a carousel. Over here is a train. We just got off the train. Just a little couple-minute ride. Kids are getting on the carousel. Grandkids are having a great time. You got about, I think there's 3 little park areas here, little playground areas for them to play in. They got a snack bar. The restroom's right here. Kind of cool. This year is their 50th anniversary. It started in 1975. And obviously today is their 50th, or October's their 50th anniversary. If you're out in Scottsdale area looking for something to do with the kids or just a neat little adventure to get out and play around, ought to check this out. Like I said, they got a carousel, they got the trains. Over here they got a little depot. Check that train out behind me. Now, since it is October, the park, they're setting up for Halloween. You know, October's coming up here. And the train ride went through and we had all kinds of little Halloween costumes and little statues. It was pretty cool. Kids loved it. Y'all need to check it out. McCormick Railroad Park, Scottsdale, Arizona. Hey, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. You know, and remember, it's not always about the destination. It's the journey.